Hey friend, be honest with me, real quick. Have you ever tried to tell people about your network marketing business, but you either sounded too salesy, too shy, or like you were reading a scripted corporate brochure? Yeah, I've been there. But let me tell you something right now. Your personal story is your biggest marketing weapon. Not the comp plan, not the fancy products. You, your transformation, your before and after. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell your story as a network marketer, even if you feel your story isn't that special. But first, drop a yes in the comments below if you're ready to stop feeling awkward and finally sound confident when sharing your story. Stay with me. Hey, I'm Dami, and I help network marketers build influence without sounding fake or robotic. Welcome to my channel, MLM Income Learning Network. If you're tired of copy and paste scripts and want to tell your authentic story in a way that attracts people, not scares them away, hit that like button. Let's get straight into it. Why your story matters. Now listen, people don't join companies. They don't even join products. People join people. Say it with me. People join people. Let me ask you this. Would you rather buy from a stranger throwing income screenshots at you, or someone saying, "Hey, I used to be exhausted every single day like you are. Now I wake up excited again. Let me show you what's changed in my life." That's the power of storytelling. If you are still here, type "I get it" in the comments below so that I can know you are following. The 5-part story framework. My dear friend, quickly grab a notebook because I'm going to give you the exact formula. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Before, trigger, skepticism, breakthrough, and transformation. Let me break it down. Step 1. Your before moment. This is where you describe who you used to be. Were you exhausted from your 9-to-5 life? Were you missing your kids growing up? Were you earning paycheck to paycheck? Be real. No bluff. No need for perfection. Comment right now. What was your before moment? Just one word. Tired? Broke? Stressed? Step 2. The trigger. What moment made you say to yourself, "Something has to change"? Was it a bill you couldn't pay? Was it a kid asking you for something you couldn't afford? Or a friend living life on vacation while you were stuck in traffic? Make it specific, because specific is relatable. Step 3. Your skepticism. Don't skip this part. If you're skeptical, say it. When someone first told me about network marketing, I rolled my eyes so hard I almost saw my brain. People trust honesty more than hype. Step 4. Your breakthrough. What finally clicked? You saw someone normal succeed? You made your first $50? You lost 5 pounds using the product? It doesn't have to be a huge win. Tiny wins make big impact. Step 5. Your transformation. Where are you now? More confident? Less stressed? Spending more time with your family? And hey, if you're still in progress, that's still a story. You can say, I'm not where I want to be yet, but I'm not where I used to be. If that line hits you, drop a fire emoji in the comments below. How to share your story without sounding pushy. Now, here's the secret. Don't end with, join my team. Instead, end with permission-based curiosity. Say things like, if any part of my story made you think, message me privately. I'll share with you what I did. Or, if you're tired of feeling like I used to, I'll show you what I'm doing right now. Or, I don't know if this is for you, but it changed my life tremendously. No pressure, no pitch, just invitation. Let me know, would you respond better to pressure or permission? Drop your answer in the comments below. So now you know exactly how to tell your story as a network marketer without sounding fake or salesy. If you want me to write your personal story using this format, drop help me in the comments below and I'll reach out to you. Or if you want a free template you can just fill in, say template, and I'll send it to you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your team because, let's be honest guys, 90% of network marketers need to hear this video right now. Thanks for hanging with me. Now go share your story like someone waiting for it because they are. Bye for now.